Gonna show me this 50 on the high ledge?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, and the kickflip. Let's go. That is so awesome. You landed to 50, 180 into 50, shove it. You got this. Only 3 months skating and you got kickflips too. It's crazy. Yeah, let's see your kickflip. There you go. There's one. How many can you do in a row? Putting the pressure on you. Oh, there's two. Oh, there's three. Oh, that was almost four, but at least you got 3 in a row. Let's go. Okay. Tony Hawk would be proud. Do a kickflip. But I think that's Eric Costin that does that. Just doing really good ollies.
I'm doing really good ollie right here.
Alright, let's see this really, really good ollie.
Oh god, it's hard to grab.
Nice. That was sick. And you got switch ollies too, right?
Yeah.
Let's see that. Only 3 months skating. And a switch ollie. Better than what I can do. Let's go. What else you got?
Switch shove.
Switch shove? Whew.
Oh.
Oh.
That was booty.
Yeah, it was booty, but you'll do it. He's technically still landed it.
I'll do switch front one.
Switch front 180.
Oh god.
Still it. All back to back to back. What else you got?
I don't know.
Gotta think. You got so many tricks you can't think of one.
Favorite tricks.
Oh, the boneless. Can you do the boneless 180?
Yeah.
Let's see that.
Where booty though.
Oh, that was solid. What are you talking about? That was sick. Good job. I love the old school tricks. I almost landed the unicorn, the Crook 540 shove it. Nah, I just call anything with a 540 a unicorn because they're so hard to land.